completed in a monohybrid test cross and dihybrid test cross. Test cross, the best example for monohybrid test cross. Next we are going to back cross. Already known of test cross is one kind of back cross, but definition is different. Test cross means F1 generation or heterozygous plants crossed with homozygous recessive parent plant, that is called test cross. What are the use of test cross? The test cross is always helping in determination of genotypes of the given plant by means, so those similar kinds of parental characters will be appear, that is F1 generation of plants will be again appeared and homozygous recessive parents will be again appeared. So that is the test cross. But back cross, what is the back cross? When the F1 generation crossed with any one of its parents, that is called back cross. Homozygous dominant parent plant, either homozygous recessive parent plant. But here already homozygous recessive parent plant, the taken up given the example for test cross. But in this back cross, so the given taken the example for homozygous dominant parent plant, that is violet color of a flower, but definition is different. Once again, back cross means the F1 generation or heterozygous plants crossed with in any one of parent seeds, that is called back cross. Or another definition, the F1 generation or heterozygous plants crossed with the homozygous dominant parent plant, that is named as back cross. What are the use of back cross? Back cross is would be resulted polar. One parent plants colors are appeared, that is only homozygous dominant color of the flowers would be appeared, that is all are white color of the flowers are to be appeared in phenotypically, but internally genotypically to be appeared homozygous dominant color of the flowers and homozygous recessive color of the flowers, both genotypes will be appeared in genotypically. That is the difference between test cross and back cross. In the test cross, the phenotypically and genotypically both are the same, that is 1:1. But in their back cross, the phenotypically 1:1, the phenotypically 1:0, but genotypically 1:1. This is the difference. Back cross is always to be produced only one parental characters in their F1 generation as well as F2 generation. That is always to be produced phenotypically homozygous dominant parent plant. Okay now. So first we are going to discuss about back cross. So this back cross is also one kind of test cross, or test cross is also one kind of back cross. So those parental phenotypes are here. One is white color of the flower, another one is white color of a flower. One is violet color of a flower, another one is white color of a flower. One parental phenotypes are here, white color of a flower, that is homozygous dominant white color of a flower. Another parental phenotypes are here, that is homozygous recessive white color of a flower. These two are parental phenotypes. Okay now. small w to be act of male gamete. However, so the female gamete within the fuse of one male gamete would be resulted zygote or first filial generation or first generation or first progeny. That is phenotypically all are heterozygous violet color of a flower, but genotypically capital W small w. But genotypically capital W small w. This is a similar in both test cross and back cross. So all are heterozygous plants will be produced both test cross and back cross. Both are the similar. That is phenotypically heterozygous violet color of a flower. Okay now. Genotypically capital W small w. In a test cross or in a back cross, the first filial generation or F1 generation or F1 progeny would be resulted in phenotypically, that is heterozygous violet color of a flower, genotypically capital W small w. So this is a similar of both back cross and test cross, but in differ the F2 generation. So back cross means F1 generation or F1 heterozygous plants crossed with any one of parent 6 or homozygous dominant parent plant or homozygous dominant parent plant, that is called back cross. So here F1 generation genotypes are high to capital W small w, homozygous dominant parent plant genotypes right to capital W capital W. Capital W capital W. Okay now capital W small w genotypes to be act of female gametes. Capital W genotypes to be act of male parent plant. Male parent plant. This is a female parent plant. This is a male parent plant. Okay now capital W small w genotypes will be produced two types of gametes. These two gametes are similar. Capital W will be produced capital W gametes. Small w will be produced small w gametes. Okay here. And again capital W genotypes will be produced same types of gametes, such as capital W will be produced capital W gamete, and again capital W will be produced capital W gametes. So however in a back cross, so four types of gametes will be produced. So these gametes are fusing within the F2 generation or second filial generation. This second filial generation to be clearly understand with the help of Punnett spare board. With the help of Punnett spare board. This Punnett spare board is always taken right side female gametes, right side male gametes, and left side to be taken of female gametes. Okay now, so those male gametes are here capital W, and those female gametes are here capital W. One is and another one is small w. Another one is a small w. However, to be crossed with male gametes and female gametes. Okay now, so first one capital W is fused with the capital W would be resulted capital W, and again capital W fused with the again capital W would be resulted capital W. This is a first fertilization, and the second fertilization are here small w fused with the capital W, that is capital W small w, and again small w fused with the capital W, that is capital W small w, that is capital W small w. So here in the Punnett spare board or checkerboard to be appeared phenotypically all are violet color of the flower. All are violet color of the flower. In a monohybrid back cross, this is a monohybrid back cross. In a monohybrid back cross, in their F2 generation would be appeared all are white color of the flowers. All are the white color of the flowers. So hence in a monohybrid back cross, the phenotypic ratio, that is 1:2 that is homozygous dominant color of the flowers are again to be appeared, not to be appeared homozygous recessive parent plant. Homozygous recessive parent plant. So hence phenotypically that is 1:0. 1 means all are violet color of the flowers, 0 means white color of the flowers. So hence white color of the flowers is absent, violet color of the flowers is present. So in their F2 generation, phenotypically to be appeared all are violet color of the flowers, but in a monohybrid test class, the phenotypically appeared half of the violet color of the flowers and half of the white color of the flowers. That is ratio 1:1. So this is a difference between monohybrid test class of phenotypic ratio, monohybrid back class of phenotypic ratio. In a monohybrid test class of phenotypic ratio, that is 1:1. By means half of the violet color of the flowers are to be produced, and again half of the white color of the flowers will be produced. In a monohybrid back class, the phenotypic ratio that is 1:0. By means 100% of the violet color of the flowers will be produced, not will be produced white color of the flowers. By means only one parental characters again will be produced in the F2 generation. That is 1:0. That is 1:0. And in a monohybrid back class, the genetic ratio that is 1:1. That is 1:1. Why? Because so violet color of the, so here violet color of the flower will be produced two types of genotypes. That is capital W, capital W, capital W, capital W, capital W, capital W, and capital W, capital W. That is one type of genotype. And capital W small w and capital W small w. This is also violet color of the flower, but this is a homozygous violet color of the flower. This is a heterozygous violet color of the flower. This is the difference. This is a heterozygous violet color of the flower. So hence the genetic ratio that is 1:1. 1:1. By means capital W genotypes are here 2, and capital W small w genotypes are here 2. That is 1:1. By means in their genotype, the genetically make up an individual organisms. Genotype means the genetically make up an individual organism. One individual organism are here homozygous violet, another individual organism are here heterozygous violet. Heterozygous violet. Genotypes means the genetic make up an individual organism, that is called genotype. So in their F2 generation of back cross, two types of individual organisms are here. One is homozygous, another one is heterozygous. Homozygous individual are here capital W, capital W. Heterozygous individual are here capital W, small w. So hence the genetic ratio 1:1. 1:1. That is capital W, capital W, and small w, small w. So capital W, capital W genotypes are appeared 2, and small w genotypes are appeared 2. That is 1:1. So in their monohybrid back cross, the phenotypic ratio and the genetic ratio both are not similar. These two are dissimilar. But in a monohybrid test class, the phenotypic ratio and the genetic ratio both are the same. But in a monohybrid back class, the phenotypic ratio 1:0, the genetic ratio 1:1. But in a monohybrid back class, the genetic ratio similar of the in a monohybrid test class of phenotypic ratio and genetic ratio. This is very, very important. Okay, here in a monohybrid class of genetic ratio, that is 1:1. This 1:1 of genetic ratio similar of the in a monohybrid test class of phenotypic ratio and genetic ratio. Okay, now and next one, the dihybrid back class. The dihybrid back class phenotypic ratio 1:1:0:0. 1:1:0:0, and the hybrid back class of genetic ratio that is 1:1:1. That is 1:1:1. Okay, now so here the dihybrid back class of phenotypic ratio by means all are round yellow seeds are will be produced. Why? Because round yellow seeds are also homozygous dominant parent plant. In a dihybrid backcross, one is homozygous dominant parent plant, another one is homozygous recessive parent plant. Here homozygous dominant parent plant, that is capital Y. Homozygous recessive parent plant, that is small r, small y. In their F1 generation, that is capital small r, capital Y, small y. Okay now. So in their capital small r, capital Y, small y crossed with capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Capital Y would be resulted in their F2 generation. Phenotypically all are one color, that is yellow round seeds. Phenotypically all are yellow round seeds. The phenotypic ratio, that is 1:0:0:0. But the dihybrid backcross phenotypic ratio 1:1:1:1. That is one is yellow round seeds, another one is wrinkled yellow seeds, another one is wrinkled yellow seeds, another one is wrinkled green seeds. That is 1:1:1:1. So in this dihybrid backcross of phenotypic ratio, the similar of dihybrid test cross of phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio. This is another important. The dihybrid test cross, the phenotypic ratio, genotypic ratio, both are the same in dihybrid backcross of genotypic ratio. This is the different from test cross and backcross. Okay now, test cross and backcross. This test cross and backcross are useful only in monohybrid test cross or monohybrid backcross. As well as dihybrid test cross and dihybrid backcross. This is a backcross.